5 strategies for proper ventilation while cooking. There's a reason 96% of professional chefs love cooking with gas. Propane-powered cooking appliances offer greater control of heat levels, a modern design, and excellent performance in any kitchen, from starter homes to high-end custom projects. On average, propane-powered appliances are better for the environment as they generate fewer greenhouse gas emissions than electric ranges. That's because more than 60% of electricity production comes from natural gas or coal generation plants, which release more carbon dioxide emissions. There's been a lot of misinformation about cooking with gas. The act of cooking reduces indoor air quality, regardless of the energy powering the stove. Ventilation when cooking is key, as is the energy source you choose to power kitchen appliances. However, there are steps you can take to improve indoor air quality when creating meals. Consider these tips from the experts at the Propane Education and Research Council for proper ventilation in your kitchen. If you have an exhaust fan or range hood, use it every time you cook, no matter what cooking equipment you're using. Open doors and windows if you don't have an exhaust fan or range hood. Clean your cooktop after each use to remove food particles. Use the right cooking oil at the right temperature. Engage a qualified technician to install and perform regular service of the stove. Find more information at propane.com/Chef Dean. Distributed by eatlivingtoday.com.